Hey y'all, it's your girl Lil Beauty back with another video. I know y'all probably like, girl, you still got them twists in your head? Yeah, they're coming out today. So this is gonna be a prep with me for spring break. I'm getting my hair done, lashes, toes, eyebrows, not my nails because y'all know I do hair back at school, so I don't really be getting my nails done like that unless it's like special occasions, or if I really feel like it, I really do be getting done. But at this moment, I don't need my nails done, but I need them toes done because y'all know it's getting hot outside. It's spring. Hey spring, I see you. Don't hide, it's getting hot. Yeah, but I still got this North Face coat on because y'all know New York City. It's breezy. Yep, it is. It's 38 degrees outside right now. Yep, I know y'all see that. It's 38 degrees. And I didn't really bring no like sweaters or nothing back from school, but I have sweaters here. But yeah, I just want y'all to exclude my hair because it looks really crazy, and I have to keep it in until the end of today because I'm going outside to get my toes done right now, my eyebrows, and then later on I'm going out go-kart racing, so I gotta keep it for the rest of the night, and I'm gonna be taking it out tonight and washing my hair and all of that. So let's head to Chase and go take some money off so I can go to the nail salon, because y'all know nail salons, they don't take nothing but cash. Them ling lings don't play. So we about to go do that, and y'all about to come with me, so let's go.
Makes sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever said is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me.
Đang mua ở kia, baby.
I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me, telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I've been, I'm truly sorry. Things change.
Just eating, y'all.
People change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you. You said you never traded, no. And I believed you when they told me don't. But either way, you're still invited and I can't even let you. Swear these days all you say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing in the field and he still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things to make me feel the way I make you feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared, maybe
so it's currently Saturday 11:52. I got my lash appointment at 1. I'm taking a train to my appointment, so I have to leave a little bit earlier in order to make it on time because she's at a new spot and I don't know where that's at.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Gotta hold the sheet, don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows strong. You leave it alone, but you're still getting.
She ate these lashes up, y'all. Now I'm finna go home, blow dry my hair, and do my hair because look what I look like. Shoot. I'm gonna see y'all when I get home.
I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. The hate be so real, the love be. Fake me bumping their gums and bumping my tape. Don't go against me, they ask for my help. Go get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' smell that shit that you just put out. You could've kept. Yup, she got a nigga, he got a shirt. Why? You can't compete when you can't compare here. She ate the dick through my underwear. Got up and got herself out of there. I see they put me on memes and things. Don't speak on my life without knowing the real. 8 figures a year, what it cost me to live. Don't hold it to say what you feel, but watch your mouth before I fly at your big word. To a place that you didn't know exists. Mediterranean water, my wrist. She be no piss, how I'm talking my shit. 6-figure check for a show, man, I'm lit. Let's celebrate them.
I barely did anything and I'm sweating already. This don't make no sense. Like,
trust nobody. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. These bitches will cry and be lying in your face. Look at the nuts, gotta know how they play. If the money went straight wish you wouldn't be here today. Ain't that man, sure know what to say. You ain't me, so it's hard to relate. What? How much cash I fuck off every day? Big bag. Don't play with me, baby. Don't play with your pussy.
Oh my soul.
You see him in person, these niggas be shooting. Hunt you and cost you a quack for the booty. I'm working the clip in the foot, surrounded by bitch floor. I'm looking like William, but I ain't my girlfriend. Nah, bro, I'ma spin on your block at the back when they finish. It look like the world end, dawg. I ain't asked for it, they did it to me. What? Niggas exposing their hands for free. Get caught in the middle, that's bullseye. You got hit, but we were targeting heat. I'm popping my shit with a capital P. Cap SRT, red eye, red key. Might be ugly, but my bitch prep. I ain't even sneeze, but still I bless. I don't like niggas, I don't like bitches, I don't like nobody. We can get gangster, we can keep it cordial. How you wanna go back? How you wanna do it? I don't backtrack, man, fuck that. I don't miss nobody, I don't miss nothing. Left it on scene, I ain't right back. I don't trust nobody. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. I just looked at my wrist, I got.
Yeah, so I got the wig on and I parted it. I just put the Bio Silk and heat protectant on the hair because y'all know I did bleach it, so the hair is like, it feels so dry and everything. And that's why the knots look like this, because I had that bleach on there for too long. I put the bleach on the knots like the same time I put it on the hair. I should have put it on there last, but I mean, I shouldn't have put on the knots at all because it was already bleached, honestly. But yeah, I have to do the side part on this side because if I tell y'all how this wig is, y'all gonna probably laugh. But hello, there was hair in my mouth. But yeah, I have to do a side part on this side. I never usually do side part on this side, but it looked good. This is my little base of the side part. When I take the band off, I'm gonna see how it really looks, see if I like it. If not, I'm gonna either move it or fix it or whatever, because y'all know. Yeah, so I hot combed it and everything. Now I'm about to flat iron it, and then I'm about to start crimping it. And y'all gonna see all of that because y'all been charging this whole time. I've been charging y'all up because y'all was just dead. And yeah, thank you. What you can't say? She's taking it, honey. I don't know where I'm taking it, but I'm taking it.
With the gang. From food stamps to a whole nother domain. Out the bottom, I'm a living proof. So ain't compromising, $500,000 on the coupe. Drug houses, looking like Peru. Graduated, I was overdue. I'm a pink Molly, I can barely move. Ask about me, I'm gon' bust a move. Yeah, I'm Red James, 33 chains. Chanel, cruising Biscayne, top off, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline. Percocet, Molly Percocet, big fun. Percocet, Molly Percocet, big fun. Represent.
Y'all, the way how I just ate this up, I have to tie it down. Well, I don't have to. I'm tying it down so that my edge could, like, you know, lay down because I sprayed some spritz on it. I'm gonna come back to y'all when I take this off. I'm gonna keep it on for like 15 minutes, cause not for too long, cause I'm really about to go to sleep. So I'm gonna show you the finished results, and y'all gonna be like, girl, you ate that. I'm trying to find my goggles, aka my glasses, because I know I'm probably looking crippled, cross-eyed. Nah. Y'all, this is the end results of my hair. This is what it looks like. Am I taking it? I'm taking it? Y'all let me know if I'm taking it like you can. It came out really cute, y'all, for my first time doing crimps. I ate it down, I ate it down, I ate it down. Hold on, let me put y'all down so I can feel myself. It's like, nah. But yeah, that's it for this maintenance vlog, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm about to literally go do last minute packing. I literally leave at 8 a.m. in the morning to go back to school, but this is what I'm looking like. At least I get to pack looking cute. But yeah, I'm about to take my pictures and videos. See you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this maintenance vlog, because y'all know I always do my hair myself. The only time I never do my hair is when it's my birthday. So yeah, expect to always see me do my hair unless I don't feel like it. But other than that, I'm gonna see you guys, and I love you guys.